technical U-turn, hairpin, up a hill. Ain't no problem. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. W&C Rides here. I'm out riding on a early January day. It is currently 5:05 p.m. Temperature when I left was in the low 50s. I'm sure it's like towards the upper 40s by this point because we're higher up in elevation now. I'm currently on Charlie's Creek Road doing a loop, 2.5 hour loop. Something I'm familiar with. So I wanted to share some videos with you guys. But get out riding the bike and I like making videos, so why not do both? Yeah, looks like on the Transalp. He's a fun car. I guess in the sense of spring contain, man. That's another road I want to check out. You know what? It's I should probably check for traffic. There's usually barely any traffic on these roads. So I want to show you guys kind of riding I plan on doing. I'm not going to go deep into this because I don't want to get stuck, and it's been raining literally all day. I'm in user mode, not gravel mode, so I might get a little slippage, a little weirdness. But I just want to show you guys. I need my momentum. There's some ice right there. Okay, this is where I'm going to stop because there's ice. I don't want to fuck with ice. There we go. I'm not skilled at low traction at all. I know it's silly to say that, having purchased a Transalp, but based on the type of riding I want to do this season, it's going to be a great bike to get my feet wet, so to speak. Yeah, these types of roads, exactly these types of roads. Okay, a little squishy, there we go. All right. So I'm not an unskilled rider. I just don't have a lot of experience on squishy, slippery roads. So that's what this season's going to be about, getting better at that stuff and finding all the really cool adventures in the area. There's so many in Western North Carolina. Hence the name, W&C Rides. Got out of breath there. I am still not fully recovered from the flu, so I get winded pretty easy still. Pretty back there, guys. I'm really hoping this is coming out on camera okay. Okay, we got a situation here. Okay, I think we're good. Alright, let's move. Alright. I love this little view going over this side of this hill. It's like a bunch of tree farm area back through here. Look at that. It opens up. Beautiful. They're in this hairpin here. Whee! Again, careful with the wet. It's about time to turn my gloves on. Hands aren't cold, but I think just like a level 1 heat would make my fingertips not quite as frosty. These covers are pretty good. They're pretty big and they cover most of my knuckles, but just my fingertips are hanging out a little bit. That is gorgeous. The blues and the oranges, man, holy crap. Oh yes, beautiful. Yeah, spent the last season or so like really kind of getting acquainted with the geography of North Carolina back roads. There's a certain way they feel to me, at least. I may be crazy. That's beside the point. Yeah, they flow in a certain way in my opinion. At least the areas that I ride. So yeah, enjoy like the feeling of being out on two wheels. And yeah, since I had that other ADV bike for a little bit, it really kind of gave me a taste for having a bike with some amazing shocks on it. can actually eat up some bumps. They have nubbing tires, and let me go on the service roads. Like the 1100, the Rebel. Like, it's fun and it can do dirt roads, but it's not a dirt road bike, you know? It's not like a service road bike. This one, on the other hand, unlocks so much more mileage on these hills. Look at that. The way the light's just washing over. Beautiful. So I'm trying to put a little bit more speed because I know I've been taking it easy and everything, but I'm going to run out of daylight faster than I mean to. All right, we're leaving Nantahala. Bye-bye. Everything's nice and orange from the sunset. I love it. I love the color of everything right now. Hopefully the cameras are picking this up. Everything's just glowing orange. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Currently 3,500 feet. About to take our left here, which I'm gonna turn into. No, I'm just gonna turn into this. I just want to turn my gloves on real quick, because it's gonna get dark soon, and it's continually dropping in temp. Let's get moving. All right, running out of time real fast. This video is going to get dark, real fast. But I want to get up this part of the hill. So this part of the ride is real fun. Oh, there's a guy behind me now. Very twisty road, just this. 4 miles up and down this side of this hill. So we'll be coming up on Wolf something, bear something. It's a lake, it's a dam. We'll be going over. I forget how sharp this turn is. And then it goes uphill. Look at that, pretty. That's a road I want to explore. It may not go anywhere, but I'm trying to remember these things so when it's warm and I have some time, I can explore them. Hey, if we end up getting in fog and it's dark, that's gonna be interesting. I see the clouds on the tips of the mountains over past the valley. Slow down through here. Pretty steep in, it's pretty sharp. Yeah, we're losing the daylight fast. But at least get over the dam before it gets too dark to see on video. Thankfully this road's drier, so don't have to keep it so slow. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be crossing the mountain. It's gonna be black outside. When you have a 200 feet, it's gonna be dark. Did not time this well, but it's fine. I'm enjoying the ride. Still getting used to the height of this bike. I'm used to sitting down quite a bit lower, but getting the hang of it. Stuck around. Oh, that is a deer. That was a deer. I gotta watch out for others. Okay. High alert. Alright, here we go. This is Wolf Creek. This is what I was saying earlier. This is the dam. It's not a super big dam, but it's a dam. It's cool. This will drop off there. Got some water over there. Let's hop over here to the side. Look over a little bit. Yeah. Dude, this is Wolf Creek. Water's down. Usually quite a bit higher. Yeah, it'll be a little bit brighter on the other side of this hill. As we wrap around this mountain, we come back up to 215. Let's pop this over out to Jackson County. Okay, what we got here? Oh, we got a couple of, they may be e-bikes. They may just be coasting down this big hill. Who knows? They're actually, they might be two-stroke. Yeah, they're motorized. This is great. I'm just hanging out here for a little bit. He's going, man. He's going. Oh, I love this. Little two strokes. I'll find a place here soon to pass by. Oh, he's going. Oh, he's off the road. Okay. I got it. I doubt this is the case, but if you two have to catch this, say hi in the comments. I don't know who you are, but you look like you're having a lot of fun. Okay, we're in Jackson County now. It's starting to get dark. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see it, but that waterfall I mentioned earlier. Oh, and here's the fog. Okay, that makes sense as to why shit's fogging up. It's not right there. Yeah, it's too dark. I won't be able to show you. Next time I come through here and it's daylight, I'll get a clip of that. But it's on the far side. It's on that other side of the valley. There's some dirt here, so I won't take it easy. Oh, it's gonna be slick. Okay. I know I got nubby tires, but it's also very wet and also pretty cold. So we're not playing games. It would tickle me if we get just a little bit of fog. We're driving down into the clouds instead of up into the clouds. That's amusing. Oh yeah, here we go. I don't know if you guys can see the clouds on the mountain there. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. This guy's building this barn house thing down here that's really pretty. Excited to see what that looks like when it gets finished. Anyway, I'm going to do this part of the voiceover now because I know it's probably getting pretty dark and I'm not going to be able to see too much here soon. So I'm going to let the cameras go until they die, but I'm pretty much going to shut up from here on and just focus on getting home, finishing up my loop. It's currently 6, ETA is 7, so one more hour on this. But I appreciate you hanging out. Hope you're enjoying these videos. Didn't time the light too well with this one, but I plan on doing better in the future. I just really had the urge to ride today, and I felt good today for the first time in a while, so I decided to strap up the cameras. Anyway, if you prefer having the audio over top, like a vlog sort of situation, I can certainly cater to that. If you prefer more of like a silent vlog sort of situation and to just enjoy the ride, maybe a little bit more longer form, I could certainly cater to that as well. But really, if you guys want to just say hi in the comments, that'd be cool. Do the like, subscribe, share thing, because I would love to be able to do this as like a thing. Anyway, take it easy, and I'll catch you guys later. A little bit of fog. We got to the fog. We got to the clouds that I saw on the other ridge. I'm really excited. I know this is stupid, but this is awesome. I love this shit. I love finding random pockets of atmosphere that's different than usual. And I'm pretty sure that my cameras are all going to be fogged up because every glass surface currently is. But hey, you know what? I'm having fun right now, and that's what matters. So I'm going to focus on not dying here. It is a little dangerous because my glasses are fogging up. Yeah, this isn't necessarily the best road to be on in this type of weather, but it's fine. I know what I'm doing. I think there's reflectors and stuff on the road, or I'd be having troubles right now. As long as these reflectors continue, I'll be alright. Alright, I'm just going raw face. I can see better that way. Keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Down to 2,800 feet. So we're gonna have to work our way back up to the other side of the mountain in this. I literally can see a slight white line on the right and the yellow reflectors. I can't even see like the yellow line. All right, turn is coming up very soon. Literally 0.2 miles. And there's nothing but thick band after thick band. Okay, we'll slow it down even more. I see. It said turn left, and I don't even see. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is going to be fun. Turning on to 64. Hopefully nobody's coming. I don't see any lights. Thankfully it's dark. I'm going to assume we are good. I hope. Oh my god. That was not ideal. Oh, it's just dripping because it's so damp.